Hey everybody, Mike here from Manatee. Today I'll show you a couple ways to place an order on our website. First, we'll need your email as a minimum contact. This ensures we can reach you if there are any issues with your order. You can choose to opt out of our mailing list at checkout, but why miss out on potential sales throughout the year? Now, let's get past the pop-up and accept the privacy policy. Click the little guy at the top right to access the login area. Okay, so now we're going to log into MPWSR.com. When you log in, you'll provide your email. This saves you from logging in at checkout. Spoiler alert, I'll show you how to do that later in this video. Next, instead of a password, we use a 6-digit code sent to your email. Easy, right? No more password clutter. Just remember, the code is only good for 15 minutes. Once logged in, you can see your previous orders in your account. Since we don't have any here, we'll go to the store and start shopping. If you're searching for items, click Inventory at the top of our page. As well, if you scroll down a little, you'll also see that we have collections. We have listed a few here, but you can view all right here to see the collections available. Please keep in mind that these can change at any time. We also have a search function that is very usable. Let's click on the magnifying glass here at the top right. Now we have a search bar. Let's go ahead and search for some tips. Here we get a few quick suggestions, but you can get more results by pressing the View All Results button at the bottom. Okay, what else can we search for? Oh, how about some of that Rampage hose that's now available? Yes. Ooh, very nice. Yeah, let's grab some of this here. Now that we have found what we needed, let's head to the cart using the icon at the top or using the side panel that pops out after you have selected an item to put in the cart. If you have special notes for us, use the special notes area. Look at that note. That's a nice note. All right, let's go ahead and click on checkout. All right, and let's go through the usual. Enter your email. Grab that login code. And now you're ready to finalize your order. Local customers, you can choose to pick up in store as well. And we accept payments through credit card, Shop Pay, GPay, PayPal, Venmo. You can even save your payment info for future orders. And that's it. That's how you place an order with us. If you have any questions, use the chat on our site or email us at sales@mpwsr.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.